in the last class we discussed about the types of numbers. In this class we will be going to discuss about the divisibility rules and the simplification. Let's discuss about divisibility rules. First of all, we will be going to discuss about the divisibility rule of 2. The divisibility rule of 2 says that if a number ending with the even number or 0, then the number is divisible by 2. Like this is the number. I told you that the number ending with the 0 or even number is divisible by 2. So this number is divisible by 2. Let's take another example. As this number is also ending with an even number, so it is also divisible by 2. So let's discuss about the divisibility rule of 3 now. The divisibility rule of 3 says that if you want to check any number whether it is divisible by 3 or not, you just add the digits separately. Like this is the number, and we are required to find whether it is divisible by 3 or not. So we will do this thing. Like 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. And if the result is divisible by 3, then the whole number would be divisible by 3. As the result is divisible by 3, so this number is divisible by 3. So now let's discuss about the divisibility rule of 4. The divisibility rule of 4 says that if you want to check any number whether it is divisible by 4 or not, you just see the last two digits. If the last two digits are divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. Let's take an example. Like this is the number. To check whether it is divisible by 4 or not, we will see the last two digits. If these are divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. See, this 24 is divisible by 4, so this number is divisible by 4. So now let's discuss about the divisibility rule of 5. The divisibility rule of 5 says that if a number ends with 5 or 0, then that number would be divisible by 5. Let's take an example. Like 250. This number is ending with 0, so it is divisible by 5. Let's take another example. Like this is the number, and this number is ending with 5, so it is also divisible by 5. Let's discuss about the divisibility rule of 6. The divisibility rule of 6 says that if a number is divisible by 2 and 3, then the number is also divisible by 6. Like this is the number. We can see that the last digit is 8, which is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. Let's see whether it is divisible by 3 or not. Two plus 4, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. As this is also divisible by 3, so this number is divisible by 6. So let's discuss about the divisibility rule of 7 now. The divisibility rule of 7 says that if we double the digit at one's place and then subtract it from the rest digits, if the solution is divisible by 7, then the whole number is divisible by 7. Let's take an example. Like this is the number, and we just double the last digit, and the double of 1 is 2. We just subtract it from the rest digits. So the answer will be 740. So we will see whether it is divisible by 7 or not. Let's see. By dividing it, we found that it is divisible by 7. So this number is divisible by 7. Remember, this trick is applicable for the numbers greater than 99. Okay. Now let's discuss about the divisibility rule of 7. Sorry, 8. Let's discuss about the divisibility rule of 8. The divisibility rule of 8 says that to check whether the number is divisible by 8 or not, we just see the last three digits of the number. Like this is the number. Let's see its last three digits. If these are divisible, then the whole number is divisible by 8. Let's see. As this is divisible, then the whole number is divisible by 8. So now let's discuss about the divisibility rule of 9. The divisibility rule of 9 is like this. We just add the digits separately. If the result is divisible by 9, then the whole number is divisible by 9. Let's take an example. Like this is the number. We just add the digits separately like this. Like 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 7, 18, 18 plus 4, 22, 22 plus 5, 27. As the result is divisible by 9, so the whole number is divisible by 9. So let's discuss about the divisibility rule of 10. The divisibility rule of 10 is very simple. We just see the last digits. If it is 0, then the whole number is divisible by 10, like this. As the 0 is in the unit digit, so this number is divisible by 10. So now let's discuss about the divisibility rule of 11. The divisibility rule of 11 says that you just add the digits at odd places and the even digits separately and then find their difference. If the difference is 0 and 11, then the number is divisible by 11. Let's take an example. Like this is the number. We just add the digits at odd place. These are 3, then 4, then 2. And their sum is 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. Let's add the digits at even places. This is 3, then 4, and then 2. Their sum is also 9. Let's find its difference. Difference is 9 minus 9, which is equal to 0. As I told you that if the difference is 0 or 11, then the number is divisible by 11. As our difference is 0, so then this number is divisible by 11. So this was about the divisibility rules. If you have any doubt, you can comment and ask me. Then let's discuss about the simplification. Simplification. To solve any expression or to simplify any expression, we follow the V BODMAS rule. This V says vinculum, or we can say it as bar. If this bar is on any digit, then we first of all solve this bar. Then B means brackets, these brackets. Now the question may be arising in your mind that which bracket should be solved first. So first we should solve the circular brackets. Circular brackets we must solve first. Then we should solve the curly brackets. Then we should solve the square brackets. Okay, this is the order of solving the brackets. So now let's discuss about next. This O means of. Its meaning is multiplication, and the meaning of D is division. Division means this sign. Then the next is multiplication. This sign is of multiplication. Then the question may be arising in your mind that the both means the same. So which to be solved first? So we should solve this O first. If wherever we see O, we must solve this O first. Then A means addition. Then this S means subtraction. So this was about the simplification and the keyboard mass. So now let's understand the simplification by understanding an example. Suppose this is the equation and we must simplify it by using the keyboard mass rule. First of all, here we will solve this first, not this. First this. Let's solve it. The answer would be 3 by 2. Okay? Then 3 by 2 is the answer. As our answer of this was 3 by 2. So we will remove this bracket and take it in the curly bracket. We remove this bracket and let's solve the curly bracket first of all. This 1 by 1 divided by 3 by 2. This means 1 by 1, 3 by 2. 2. So this would be 2 by 3. Or we can just solve it by using the simple method by inversing these digits. Our answer would be same. As our answer is 2 by 3. So let's add this one to 2 by 3. Our answer would be 5 by 3. So now let's solve the next brackets. It is 5 by 3. So we will remove the curly brackets as we have solved it. Now it's turn of solving the circular square brackets. We will do this thing only here. This would be 3 by 5. Okay. Now let's add this one to 3 by 5. Our answer would be 8 by 5. As we have solved all the brackets, let's find out our answer. So let's remove these brackets and its answer would be 5 by 8. So we simplified this equation or the expression by using the keyboard mass rule. So now let's understand the division algorithm. Now let's divide 38 by 5. 5 sevens are 35 and our answer is 3. Here 5 is the divisor. $38 was our dividend and 7 was our quotient and 3 was our remainder. So there is a rule to find the dividend and this rule is like this. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So this was our division algorithm. So with this our class ends. Thanks for watching.